So I decided to take a break from making videos about how to make your money work for you by investing and instead teach you how to get free money online really quickly. In today's video, the free money I'm talking about is quite a deal. In fact, one of the sites can pay you up to $600 for an hour of your time. So in this video, I'm gonna go over 5 different ways that you can make free money online, and you should definitely stick around for the last one because I haven't seen anyone else mention it before, and all you really need is 3 things: a computer, an internet connection, and the desire and passion to make free money online. There's a lot to cover in this video, so here's an overview. 1. I'll give you a summary of each of these companies. 2. I'll tell you how to get started, and 3. I'll tell you how much money you can make with each of these companies, so make sure to follow everything I've suggested you to do and stick until the very end of this video. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. The first company is called Prolific, and the fantastic thing about Prolific is that it's based in the UK, which means that it's paid out in the all-powerful GBP, or the Great British Pound, which is 1.3 times the equivalent of $1. Now, Prolific is a company that does academic surveys for university academics. I know surveys aren't exciting, but here people are fairly compensated for each survey they complete. These surveys range from market research to behavioral research, and they're roughly aligned with the academic calendar year, so you won't see as many surveys during the summer months, but there will be plenty during the school year. So how do you actually get started? Well, after you sign up, you're gonna be given a relatively short to long survey which takes 15 to 20 minutes. However, this is the qualification survey, which means that after you take the survey, every other survey that you get, you're gonna be automatically qualified for it. After the qualification survey, you're pretty much ready, so whenever surveys pop up on your browser, feel free to go and tackle them. If you want to be automatically notified when a survey is ready for you and not have to manually check them, you can download the Prolific browser extension or the Prolific Notify app. In terms of how much you actually get paid, Prolific actually states on their site that they want their survey participants to be fairly compensated, so they recommend their researchers to pay their participants £6, which is the equivalent of $8. With that said, hold your horses because this is probably one of the lowest paying ones out of all these different surveys, and you definitely want to stay for the one that pays $600 an hour. So number 2 is respondent.io, which is another service site, but trust me, this one pays a hefty amount. This might be the one that pays $600 an hour, by the way, and the goal of this site is to connect people that are trying to do research with a healthy pool of different participants. In terms of what they're looking for a ton of people with various demographics and backgrounds, such as people in engineering, software design, marketing and research in business, and executive suite options as well. So in terms of the survey options that they have available, respondent.io actually has a wide array of different diverse survey options, so it kind of matches whatever your background or your qualifications will be. After you sign up, all you have to do is fill out your profile and do the profile assessment, and you'll be immediately matched with surveys that you qualify for. So while you're exploring the different surveys for which you could be eligible, you can see how long the survey will take and how much you'll be paid. After you qualify, you need to smash that like button to help me beat the YouTube algorithm, and if you qualify, the researchers will actually reach out via email or text and letting you know that it's on. So how much will you be paid? According to my experience and what I've observed online, the average survey costs around $60 per hour, and there's no upper limit. However, the greater the surveys pay, the more qualifications and criteria you'll need to meet in order to qualify for it. In fact, the highest paid survey I've seen on Respondent is $150 per 15 minutes, which works out to $500 per hour. In terms of payment, Respondent will disburse payments within 7 to 10 days after you complete your survey, and each survey will pay out separately, so there's no minimum amount you must have in your account before Respondent pays out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. The third way to make free money online is Playtest Cloud. Playtest Cloud is a site that connects developers with game testers, and essentially you're just playing video games and getting paid for it. They're looking for a vast array of different gamers, from casual all the way to hardcore gamers, and a ton of different demographics and age groups as well. Playtest Cloud will record your whole gaming experience from any device in the comfort of your own home, with the overall purpose of assisting developers in determining what exactly test players are doing and thinking about when playing the games. So how do you begin earning money while playing video games? The first step is to create an account on Playtest Cloud. Second, you'll take an unpaid qualifying test to determine if you're eligible. Now, don't worry, if you fail the qualification test, you can always retake it. So they'll give you an email invitation for your exclusive membership to test a possibly very fun game after you qualify. In terms of payout, it varies depending on the length of the games you're playing as well as the games you're playing. But it typically ranges from $9 to $13 per game, and you'll be paid out instantly via PayPal after each game. So moving on, the fourth app is a secret shopper application. Basically, you're given these assignments to complete at a local store, which is really cool, and these assignments can range from checking out the inventory to doing these things called buybacks, which are fantastic because they essentially mean that whatever you buy at the store, the company will reimburse you for buying it. So you're essentially getting paid to get free stuff from that store. In terms of how to get started, you sign up online and then you'll be brought into the App Store where you can actually download the Secret Shopper app. With this app, you'll take a couple of surveys to see what you're eligible for, and then they'll start sending you invitations or secret assignments that you can start doing in your local stores. Now, when you get an assignment, don't worry, sometimes you do have to interact with the manager of that store, so just go in there loud and proud and let them know that you're part of the app. Show them notifications, show them the authorization badge, and you'll get to work from there. In terms of how much you get paid, it really depends on what assignments you're given, but I've seen assignments that pay a base rate of $25 per hour and assignments that take anywhere from 1 hour to 2 hours, which means you actually get $50 per assignment. Don't worry, even if you finish faster than that a lot of the time, you still get paid the base rate, which means if the base rate is $20 an hour and you finished quickly, you still get paid the base rate. Now, if you take up that entire 2-hour time frame, then you get paid $40. Check out the proof of payment here and here. And last but not least is Reddit. There are a couple of subreddits that actually pay you free money for doing certain tasks online, such as doing homework online or rating online businesses. If you know what subreddits you should be looking out for and exactly what posts you should be checking out, it's very easy for you to make a couple $100 extra every single month. There's a lot of subreddits that do pay out, but I'm gonna go over 3 subreddits that you should check out. The first subreddit is called Slave Labor, and the name could be improved, but people do post assignments here where they pay a couple of bucks per assignment that you do. In fact, I've actually seen assignments where they pay over $80 for completing something that would only take an hour to do. The second subreddit is called Beer Money, and there's actually a ton of things here. It's a combination between a subreddit of slave labor and actually just working online jobs. It ranges from doing some study opportunities all the way to actually test driving vehicles that I've seen people post assignments for online. In addition to these work online assignments, you can actually find a lot of really great information here on how exactly you can make additional free money online, in addition to signing up for the newsletter down below where I'm going to be giving you even more ways that you can make free money online. The third subreddit is called Sign Up for Pace, and this subreddit is essentially telling people to sign up for certain things in order to get paid out. For example, you pretty much just sign up through people's referral codes wherein they benefit, you benefit, and everyone wins. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.